Rally car modifications are unlike any other in the automotive world. These dedicated enthusiasts enhance safety and resilience while boosting speed and agility for rough terrains. Innovations like reinforced body kits and advanced suspension systems are commonplace, allowing these vehicles to navigate extreme landscapes with precision. Moreover, the use of lightweight materials not only improves performance, but also creates stunning visual aesthetics that impress onlookers. Iconic rally cars such as the Subaru WRX and Lancia Delta Integrale showcase how modifications enhance both their handling and appearance, turning each race into a captivating spectacle.